Hello students, today I am going to teach class 11th subject chemistry chapter 3rd. Chapter name is classification of elements and periodicity in properties. We have knowledge 118 elements in periodic table. 118 elements in periodic table, 118 elements are found in the nature and artificial elements. Artificial elements is made up by man. So periodic table 118 elements properties are known by the now their invariable compound seem to tedious to be within control of a human mind. A brief details in the periodic table. The first maybe some Dabbe-Reiner triads arrange in a table elements Dabbe-Reiner triads, some Dabbe-Reiner triads, Newland law of octave, Lothar-Meyer arrangement, Mendeleev periodic table, and mostly last of a modern periodic table given by Moseley. One by one, what is Dabbe-Reiner triads? In 1829, John Dabbe-Reiner classified certain elements in the group of 3. Each group was called a triad. 3 elements a triad have similar properties. So atomic mass of the middle elements in a triad is approximately equal to the arithmetic mean of the other 2 elements. So suppose, for example, lithium have atomic mass of lithium is 7, sodium is 23, and potassium is 39. Okay, the first of lithium atomic mass 7 and potassium is 39, both are added, then ratio is 23, sodium atomic mass is known 23. Okay, then Newland law of octave in 1863 to 64, Newland presented the law of octave. According to this, when the elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses, properties of 15 elements starting from given 1 is a kind of repetition of the first. So suppose for in a songs sa re ga ma pa dha ni. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Then sodium is first of the elements is similar properties behave. So it is the Newland law of octave. Lothar-Meyer arrangement in 1869. German chemist Lothar-Meyer studied the physical properties of several elements arranged in a curve-like structure. It is so in book lithium, sodium, potassium, rubium, cesium, francium, just like so in a curve-like structure. Okay, curve in a arranged in a curve, so it is the Lothar-Meyer arrangement. Then next is the Mendeleev periodic table. In 1869, Mendeleev proposed a law before classified elements, which is called periodic law. According to this law, physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. So it is called Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law. Mostly Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev is elements arranged in a table, so it is called Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, then arranged in a periods and group. Periods and group. You can see in this book periods from left to right. Left to right elements one by one elements arranged in a table. So it is called periods. And from top to bottom top to bottom you can mentally arrange in elements, so it is called groups. So you can see in nine group. Eight is the group, but one is the zero group of elements, and from 1 and 2 group is the alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, and from third to 12 D block elements. First and second is the S block elements, and third to 12 A group is the D block elements, and from 13 to 18 it is the P block elements. So it is not clarified, or it is not Mendeleev periodic table arranged metals and non-metals arranged in separated. So it is the very confused, so not clear, very doubtful conditions in this periodic table. So advantage of Mendeleev periodic table: convenience in the study of properties of elements, discovery of new elements in detail, mining atomic weight, correction of inaccurate atomic weight, helpful in research of the element. Okay. Then drawback, weakness of the Mendeleev periodic table: position of hydrogen. You can see position of hydrogen is two places, first group and the seventh group. First group, seventh group, those show position of hydrogen two place, but atomic number is 1, but mass is 3, so it is represented first and seventh group of elements. Then dissimilarities in the arrangement of elements. Dissimilar elements are placed together. Elements of same properties are placed separately. Position of isotopes, position of element of 8 groups. So it is the drawback of the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay. Then next is the modern periodic law. What is modern periodic law? Modern periodic law in 1911, Moseley scientist gave a law, so it is called modern periodic law. According to this law, physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number, or physical and chemical properties of elements. Physical and chemical properties of elements, it's depend upon the atomic number. Main difference between Mendeleev periodic law and Moseley modern periodic law: Mendeleev periodic law depend upon the atomic mass, and its modern periodic table is depend upon the atomic number. So it is Moseley scientist gave a number of elements, so it is called atomic number. Arranged in a table, all elements arranged in a table, so gave a number, serial in number, so it is called atomic number. So many of this a classification on elements based on the electronic configuration, SPD and F block elements. S block elements group first and second, it is also called the S block elements. First group of alkali metals and second group of alkaline earth metals. P block elements have 13 to 18 group of elements is also called the P block elements. P block elements is also known as non-metal. D block elements 13 to 12 are called D block elements. This block is present between S and P block elements. D block, all elements have a metal properties. Metal properties means luster. It's represent luster, malleable, ductile, so sonorous, and a good conductor of electricity. So its properties behave D block elements. Okay. And last is the F block elements. Lanthanide and actinides elements fill in the F block elements. So it is F block elements. Yes, F block elements is two type: inner transition elements and inner transition elements. So it is the F block elements. So next, electronic configuration of elements and periodic table, one by one. Then long form of the or modern form of the periodic table. You can see in table, first group of elements is the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubium, cesium, francium. So it is the alkali metals. And second is the group of the